सो राणा नायडू सीजन 2 का ट्रेलर लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. मैं एक एक कमेंट पढ़ूंगी जो आप लोगों के बारे में किया गया है.
Okay.
एंड आई वांट योर रिएक्शन ऑन इट. ओके.
Sure.
Rana Daggubati is a beast. He should star in more action, brutal movies.
Yes, I shall. Thank you.
कृति आप है नहीं ट्रेलर में.
टीजर में
नहीं
ट्रेलर
है.
में मैं हूँ, मैंने
हाँ,
देख लिया.
टीजर में नहीं है तो लेकिन लोगों ने ढूंढ के मतलब आपकी पढ़ के और सब करके आपके बारे में कमेंट लिखा है. उन्होंने लिखा है कि कृति इज द पीक ऑफ फीमेल ब्यूटी, अमेजिंग स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस.
Thank you. I mean, I don't know how else to react to that. It made my day. Thank you.
करण उन्होंने जो पूरी सीरीज के बारे में कमेंट है, द नायडूज आर बैक, डार्कर, बोल्डर एंड मोर डेंजरस देन एवर. राणा वेंकटेश एंड नाउ अर्जुन रामपाल. सीजन 2 इज सीजन 2 अबाउट टू बी प्योर chaos और थ्रिल?
मैंने ही लिखा है comment.
Love it.
So let's start with the questions. राणा, आप इसमें एक फादर और बेटे का रिलेशन जो है उसको ज़्यादा दिखाया गया है. इसमें तो रिलेशन उतना अच्छा नहीं है जो सीरीज़ है. रियल लाइफ में क्या आप अपने डैड से डरते हैं?
No, it's a complete opposite in my real life, I think, in that sense. But I think
Sorry.
most places, at least for guys, it's you want to either impress your dad or be like your dad or be better. That's because that's the only goalpost that you have first, right, in your measure wherever you're looking. So I think a dad figure becomes a very important figure, obviously, in life and while growing up. So the influence that has is far bigger. I mean, I don't think we can explain that influence.
कृति, टेल मी अबाउट योर रोल. कैसा है आपका रोल? इज इट बोल्ड, इज इट डेंजरस, व्हाट इट इज?
It's bold and dangerous. And
It is actually. It's a lot more than that also. I think आलिया जो है वो एक अजीब तरीके का ठहराव भी लेकर आ रही है, which is not the pace of the show per se. I mean, the pace of this character is a little different from the rest of the characters. मेरे लिए वो सबसे बड़ा, I think, if I have to point out a difference, तो वो होगा. But I think to tell you a little bit about Alia Oberoi, she's just trying her level best to make it as big as possible. She has big dreams. She wants to make them come true. And she will go to whatever degree she wants to and make that happen for herself. And in one word, if I have to say, she's cutthroat. She's extremely cutthroat. She's emotional, but she's emotional about herself, about her work. And that's where I relate to her, but I'm not as cutthroat as her in real life, so I wish I could get that from Alia into my real life.
करण, जो सीरीज़ है फर्स्ट सीजन में एक चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा बोली गई थी वो ये कि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा अब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज यूज़ की गई है. सीजन 2 में वो ज़्यादा है, कम है या उतनी मात्रा में है?
पहले तो सीजन 1 में मैंने कुछ नोटिस ऐसा नहीं किया था. शूटिंग के समय हमें तो कुछ पता भी नहीं चला कि ऐसा हो रहा है. बट आई फील लाइक इट्स हमने यू ट्राई टू मेंटेन अ सेंस ऑफ हाउ पीपल स्पीक टू ईच अदर इन रियल लाइफ विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मसाला, थोड़ा ड्रामा इन द थॉट्स. और उसमें अभी थोड़ा बहुत निकल जाए तो इट्स आई थिंक इट स्टिल फ्लोज. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स जारिंग. ज़्यादा कम आप देख लीजिए अभी.
सो डू यू थिंक सेंसरशिप नहीं होनी चाहिए?
मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं कह रही हूँ इतना जजमेंट मत पास करो. मेरा पॉइंट ये है, देखो सेंसरशिप होनी चाहिए. आई एम श्योर पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट समथिंग. द एंड ऑफ द डे one person is saying कि होनी चाहिए, one person is saying कि नहीं होनी चाहिए. As a creator, he's saying he doesn't want it. As censor, they may say they want it. They'll find a middle ground. But ये जो opinion आया था ना, ये show आने के बाद आया था.
Right.
तो ये censor board का opinion नहीं था, ये लोगों का opinion था. And it's just that one thing led to another. That is how it was.
बट काफ़ी कुछ उसके बाद भी माहौल चेंज हो गया. तो
हाँ. So there
depends.
isn't much
In
you can
that
do
time,
about
at
it.
that moment, it felt right.
It was damn
अगर
authentic.
राणा नायडू दिल्ली का पर्सन होता, सो किस पॉलिटिशियन से उसकी पर्सनालिटी मैच होती?
मैं हैदराबाद का हूँ, मैं दिल्ली का नहीं हूँ.
कृति, आपने पूरी सीरीज देख ली है?
Of course. मतलब
And-
सीजन 2
हाँ season 2
नहीं,
नहीं
पूरा नहीं देखा अभी तक.
okay so what was your husband's reaction to trailer or to मतलब whatever you have explained to him
Pulkit's reaction to
Yeah.
the teaser, I think more than his reaction to the teaser, I think when I told him कि मैं राणा नायडू सीजन 2 कर रही हूँ, एक्चुअली बहुत ही वियर्ड चीज़ हुई थी. तो मैं अपनी शादी के लिए जा रही थी 11 मार्च को. उस दिन करण फ्री था, खाली उसी दिन वो रेकी से वापस आया था. तो मैंने पुलकित को बोला तू चल, मैं कल आऊँगी. सो आई वेंट लेट टू माई ओन वेडिंग. सो व्हेन आई रीच्ड द वेन्यू द नेक्स्ट डे, ऐसे फ़ोन पे नहीं बात करनी, मैं वापस आके बताती हूँ. दैट्स द डे आई सेड येस टू द शो एंड एवरीथिंग. So 12th of March, I reach and I tell him I'm going to be part of Rana Naidu season 2, and his first reaction was, "Oh wow, you loved season 1. We both loved season 1." So he's like, "Tell me about your character." And when I told him, I think he was more thrilled for me than I was thrilled for me. He was really excited. Like he said, "This is something you've been waiting for. You've been wanting to do something like this because genuinely ये किरदार वैसा है कि मुझे offer ही नहीं होते ऐसे roles."
right
So it was a very exciting time for both of us, and he's a huge fan of the show also. He loves Karan, he loves Rana. They both love him more than they love me. So the three of them have their own mutual admiration society. So yeah.
करण आपने बहुत अच्छी स्टारकास्ट रखी है सीज़न 1 में भी एंड सीज़न 2 में भी, माइंड ब्लोइंग, और उनका यूज़ भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया है स्टोरी में. क्या कभी आपकी क्रिएटिविटी और वो स्टार पावर का क्लैश हुआ है?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ये तो थैंक्स टू नेटफ्लिक्स एंड यू नो देयर जैसे उनको माउंट करनी थी ये शो, तो मुझे मौका मिला कि मैं इतने बड़े यू नो आई कैन वर्क विद सच बिग नेम्स. अर्जुन रामपाल हैं, ऑफ कोर्स राणा, और वेंकटेश्वर तो थे ही, सुरवीन, कृति, अभिषेक बैनर्जी, सुशांत, and Rajat Kapoor, like all this. It's a wonderful ensemble to put together and to be able to tap into that. It's not about the stars, but it is what experience they bring. And मुझे उसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है कि इन्होंने इतना काम किया, इतना देखा है, और जो मतलब stars are because they are very good actors, okay, to begin with. I think that they bring that experience. और मुझे एज अ डायरेक्टर सबसे मज़ा आता है जब जो पेज पर लिखा हो ना उससे बियॉन्ड कर पाए एज अ यू नो इन दीज एक्टर्स टू टेक दैट सीन यू नो टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, एंड दैट्स व्हाट I really enjoy, and I feel like these bigger names, because they come with so much experience, they can really make that magic happen on screen. So I just loved that experience. And to answer your question, it was smooth because again, they understand what it is to be professional, all of them, and it was absolutely like butter, the entire process of making this.
हम एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे. फर्स्ट मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस आपसे करूंगी, देन कृति, देन करण.
But they'll know the questions, no? They'll be
Yeah,
prepared with
yeah.
the answers.
We'll be faster than you.
Okay, cool.
One word for Venkatesh sir's acting in Rana Naidu.
Rediscovered, I think.
Last person you called when you were in real trouble.
Last person I'll call.
Yeah.
I'll fix it myself. I won't call nobody.
Okay. An actor you would love to fix in real life.
An actor who I'd like to fix in real life. I guess myself at getting better.
Okay. OTT or big screen?
At the big screen.
One role you regret saying no.
None.
None? Nice. Kriti, now you, okay? One word for Rana Dugwati acting.
Sorry?
One word for Rana's acting.
One word for Rana's acting?
Yeah.
Soulful.
A show you binge watched and thought, why wasn't I in this?
Rana Naidu season 1.
Most useless Bollywood advice you have ever received.
Useless Bollywood advice.
You have to be part of every room. Like you have to be everywhere all at once. No?
One director you will blindly say yes to, even without a script.
I have too many names. I can't give you
Yeah,
one.
you can.
Karan Imtiaz sir, Shujit sir, Sriram Raghavan sir, Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir. I mean, the list can go on and on and on, really.
One co-actor who made you laugh when you were trying to cry.
Rana.
Of course.
Rana, yes.
Really?
Yeah, you weren't, I
All
don't
the
think, all the
Yeah,
time.
best was like that scene na, which we did, and you had to say, "I'm really sorry." Like, Naina, I'm really sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Things like that, obviously, are just
Yeah.
Yeah.
all over
Yeah.
the place.
Now, Karan, craziest suggestion from Netflix notes.
Craziest suggestion?
Yeah.
Do what you
I'm,
want.
Sorry.
Do what you want.
One scene in Rana Naidu you almost deleted but you didn't. Season 1.
Season 1, I think we used everything. Almost deleted. Trying to think. No, we went with it.
Right.
Yeah.
OTT freedom, blessing or pressure?
Blessing.
Actor you gave the most unexpected take in Rana Naidu.
Venki would have been.
Yeah, of
For
course.
sure. Like-
He was the one giving unexpected takes, and they were all very good. So it was always surprising and nice.
One word to describe the season 2 script.
Epic.
एंड लास्ट वन, किसने सबसे ज़्यादा रीटेक्स किए एंड किसने सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्रोवाइज किया?
Retakes guaranteed be me. It'll take a lot to get into moods like that.
But even so, it wasn't. Improvise, I think I'll give it to. I think Abhishek as Jaffa was very good, and every take he tried something new, and it was fun. And that's something we kept. Then we made it a thing कि हर बार कुछ नया try करते हैं.
ओके, सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन हम इस चीज़ से एंड करना चाहेंगे कि आप लोगों को सेट पे सबसे ज़्यादा मेमोरेबल जो अभी भी आप याद करोगे, जो सेट पे आप लोगों ने पूरा टाइम बिताया इतना लंबा, सो सबसे ज़्यादा जो याद करोगे, कृति अभी हंस रही है, तो आप किस चीज़ को याद करके हंस रही हैं?
नहीं वो पहले राणा से पूछ। ऑर्डर में जाओ यार, ऑर्डर में चल रहा है।
What is the most memorable thing
Yeah.
on set?
Which brings smiles on your face.
No, actually, I think the day we were shooting with the entire family in the house, I think we were all in Survin has this one big tent where we all sat in, and my wife came to see the set the first time, and she came in. She's like, oh wow, it looks like it's your family, and I'm just like an intruder. So, but yeah, I think that was fun. That day was pretty fun.
Yeah.
How nice, actually. That's.
Yeah.
I'm actually a little jealous also that I didn't get to work with everyone else, but great.
And I'll tell you what, the most like a feeling that I thought I'd never have is when we walked into season 2, when we started season 2, everybody just was on cue. They just knew who they were. There was no prep for anything. Everyone walked in as a family in one shot. And I think that was, to me, the most special thing.
I prepped for 1.5 years.
For us to feel like a family, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, Kriti. Now your turn.
Mine is his was such a good answer. Now I'm feeling a little stupid
You're
about
the one who
this.
said, let him answer first. So.
No, actually, the second day of shoot, I think this was. So, Rana Daggubati is like 6'4", so I have to wear like these 6-inch heels ताकि हम दोनों एक फ्रेम में फिट हो पाए. तो उसमें क्या था, आई एम सपोज टू वॉक अहेड ऑफ राना. तो मैं चलना शुरू कर रही हूँ, मेरा जूता निकलता जा रहा है, एंड आई एम गेटिंग रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सो वन ऑफ द I just looked around and I saw, okay, everyone is there. I can't afford to waste any time. How am I going to make this happen? Set Dada khade hue the, so I took sellotape from him and I taped my foot to the shoe so I could run in it. And for me, that was one of the funniest moments of my life. Ki, how the hell did I think of this and why am I doing this? And then it became a thing. Then it became something I was doing every day. कि यार मैं अपना पैर टेप कर रही हूँ, like legit sellotape है पूरे
Nice
पैर पे और
suggestion.
जूते पे. So that for me was one of the most fun things that I've done on this set. बाकी बहुत serious था सब.
Nice suggestion, मैं भी try करूँगी.
बहुत helpful है. But I had the fortune of wearing really long pants, so it covered the sellotape. So you have to keep that in mind.
Yeah, Karan, now your turn.
Memorable things. I think we tried some As a maker, तो मेरे लिए the most interesting things were the kind of action we did, and you know we've really raised the bar over there. तो मुझे तो वो सब plan करने में और execute करने में और you know for it to come together that the way it did in a visual sense, and you know Rana really like giving it everything, और बहुत different types के action sequences हैं हमारे, तो उसमें बड़ा मज़ा आया मुझे. उसमें
हम
आया था.
हर समय एक बार सेट करके रखते हैं कि यहाँ तक पहुँचना है हमें, ये हमारा भी बेंचमार्क है, उसके बाद हमारा बेंचमार्क बढ़ते जाता है. इस वक्त आप लोग का बेंचमार्क क्या है?
I don't know. You just have to do the best that you can to that story. It's hard to. I don't know. I've never worked with a benchmark like that.
Okay.
It's like, is this the best that we could do, and keep going. That's it.
कृति?
Honestly, no. I mean, I've never set a benchmark for myself, and it's probably because my mom always told me कि जब आप एक benchmark अपने लिए set करते हो बेटू, you don't even realize कि आप सिर्फ उसको target कर रहे हो. Maybe you're made for bigger things. Maybe you're made for better
Right.
things. So keep that open. Growth is something that's a constant in our lives. So yeah, there's no benchmark.
Karan?
I
No.
just want the maximum number of people to watch what we do, and it's always like how much can more audiences can we bring in and entertain them. So that's always the benchmark is more than the last.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we hope कि season 2 first season से भी बहुत ज़्यादा hit रहे.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.